We are here on Bainbridge Island to hike Gazzam Lake and Veteran Trail Nature Preserve. So it's about a 6.5 mile trip. It's relatively easy trail system. It's mostly designed for runners and bikers, but nonetheless, it's actually pretty good hiking from what I've read. So let's go explore and try it out. Let's go.
We have started the trail. We're about 100 feet in, so it's pretty good. I saw a couple runners and a bicyclist through here, so I guess it's more of a bike running trail. As you can tell, the path is actually very smooth and wide, so this should be expected. So let's see how it goes. We're going to do the full outer perimeter loop. So again, as I mentioned, it's going to be about a 6.5 mile trek. It should take about a couple hours. It's relatively flat, but again, as I mentioned earlier, there's a couple points that we're gonna veer down to the actual water, because we're actually about 300 to 400 feet above the sea level. So it's gonna be a trek down. So those are the only two descent ascent sections. So we'll do at the north side and also at the south side of the trail. So aside from that, I think we're good. Let's journey on. It's very uneventful right now, so but just kind of getting my heart rate up. So let's go and enjoy. So it's been a few minutes here. We're actually skirting the Gazzam Lake. Apparently it's not, from what I can see through the trees, it's not really a lake, more like a marsh land, so to speak. So we'll get an opportunity to see a little better in a little bit. There's like a little spur trail that goes out to the area. So we'll start back there again. Actual northernmost point, northeastmost point. So we're gonna turn left here. Like a little another trailhead looks like. But let us continue on. There's actually a bathroom here. But here we go. It's called the Westwood Shore Trail. So this is the trail that's gonna start leading towards the north end of the trail that takes you down to the water. So can you hear the rooster? There's a home next door over there. But yep. There you go. See some bells. Can you hear that? The rooster. Okay, we're still heading down. I'm really surprised how well curated these trails is here. It's actually pretty nice. Kind of looking back here, this big old massive tree. Ooh, looking up, fantastic. It looks pretty. But I just want to kind of show you how nicely and well maintained this preserved trail system is set up. So, oh, beautiful. Okay, so uneventful, pretty interesting. Well, nice, typical waterfront shoreline terrain and look. So let's go ahead and head back up again. So another steep climb up. So this is the way we need to go. There's the steps over there. So let's go up here. Okay. Okay, so here, as we saw coming down, it's pretty steep. So you actually can see me huff and puff, not by choice, but requirement. So anyway, so here we go. Let's check up this step system here. Who's this? Not sure who did this, but thank you. I feel guilty. I feel like I need to pay a toll or something. So, okay. By the way, it's about an hour now since we started the hike, and about 2.6 miles in to get to this point. So, as I mentioned at the beginning of the hike, it's 6.5 miles, so we're not even halfway there yet. So, once we get to the top here, we'll start heading south again. Probably getting on the trail sections where we actually went on earlier, coming up here. And then, because there's 2 loops, right? So then we should head back towards the trailhead where the Veteran Trail is. That one leads down to a shoreline again as well too. So another descent of about 350 to 400 feet. Let me get a good workout for today. Okay. Well, goodbye Westford Shoreline on the north end of this trail system. And let's continue on. Okay, walk in here. So here's a little public service announcement that I'm gonna make. So as I walk this trail here in this nature preserve, there's a lot of signs that says, you know, please maintain the trails here, keep it clean and so forth. You know, which brings me to a point. I hike a lot of trails and I see a lot of people throw garbage and things like that. These are not avid hikers. These are probably people in the city just trying to get away real quickly and very disrespectful to nature here. Not all, but a lot of them are like that. They know no trail etiquette, and they think the park rangers and service folks are their personal garbage keeper. They're not. Okay, so pack it in, pack it out. You heard that saying? Please do that. And also stay on the trails. Stop making all these boot path trails and, you know, and spur trails. You destroy the foliage here and the plant growth. Please keep it nice. Look how pretty this place is here. It's kept nice because you got people who respect the lands here. So sorry, that's just more of a serious note there, but I just want to kind of share that with you. So please learn trail etiquette as well, okay, as you go on hiking trails. We thank you. All right, so let's continue on with this journey here. So we're coming up to the rock formation shortly and merge back on the main trail I walked down earlier. Other than that, uneventful. Okay, I'm back. Got a little lonely, so I said I want to talk to myself and talk to you. So yeah, trail ongoing. Nothing different, nothing spectacular. Just typical trail, but it's nice though. A lot of fern trees here, as you can see. And good news about this area here. Bainbridge Island. Again, there's only one bridge crossing on the north side of the island, out towards Paulsbo. So it's a long drive if you're coming from the western side of the Puget Sound, like Tacoma or Seattle. So either catch a ferry over here, or you can drive all around through the Tacoma Narrows Bridge. But yeah, there's cell reception out here, full cell reception. I get 5G, full bars, because we're actually on a residential island and very close to the Olympic Peninsula too as well. So cell reception is really good, so you don't have to worry about that. So okay, we are here at the Veteran Trail Junction. So left here goes back to the trailhead, and straight ahead goes to a private property. And down here is the trail to the Veteran Trail, as you can see here. So yeah, I'm ready to head down here. Let's I'm not sure how long it is, maybe half a mile probably down. So but yeah, again, more same trail. Yeah. Look at that. It's like a butthole. Alright, sorry. It's kind of just funny looking. Anyway, wow. That's pretty steep. Okay, we're kind of towards at the end of the Veteran Trail. Down there at the bottom. One drawback to this trail. We're gonna have to cross a road, like a shoreline drive or something like that. That kind of crosses right across the trail. So we're gonna have to go across it. But luckily, there are not that many cars, so we don't have to play Frogger. Remember Frogger? Again, so there you go. The Veteran Trail continues. So just keep that in mind. We'll continue on. But aside from that, the trail is pretty good. Oh, interesting. Okay. I guess there's another road we gotta cross. Peaceful and quiet. We saw that boat earlier on the north end, way down over there. Well, I think we're done. We've accomplished the 2 destinations, and we've done most of the trail. So let's go ahead back up. There isn't much else to do here. Okay, kind of getting hungry, ready for lunch. So let's go back up. Better rain trail. Huh. Okay, there we go. Okay, we just passed the second road crossing. They don't play Frogger, so which is good. But yeah, so now we're heading back to the trailhead. Rather than just kind of talking about the place, I'll give you a quick summary of this hike. It's actually a really good hike. I give it a 5-star because Kitsap County is really well maintaining their trails in the county, so this is fantastic. So we're at 2 hours and 5 minutes in at 5.9 miles so far, and we had about 900 foot of elevation gain total so far. So but yeah, it's really good. So again, this is out here on Bainbridge Island, and if you're in Paulsbo, Bainbridge Island, or Silverdale area, come on down and check this out. It's actually a good trail. There is no fee at the parking trailhead. You can get about 10 cars onto the lot. There's no bathroom at the main trailhead, but there is at that other junction where we saw the rooster crowing section, way in the northeast corner of the loop. So, but yeah, aside from that, it's a very good trail. 5-star, definitely for sure. The weather's good, the weather's cool, it didn't rain, which is good. So again, come on out here, it's good cell reception, great views, not a lot of people, definitely. So yeah, enjoy, come on out here. Aside from that, we will call it good. So I should be back in the trailhead in about 10 minutes. So yeah, we'll call it a wrap, and on to the next hike next weekend. See you again soon. Thanks for following me. We did it. Fun hike.